Vilnius, the capital of Lithuania, is a vibrant historical destination offering a unique blend of old-world charm and modern attractions. Located in the heart of Europe, Vilnius boasts a rich cultural heritage and stunning scenery that make it an ideal destination for tourism and travel. One of the best ways to capture the beauty of Vilnius is through aerial drone photography. A bird's-eye view of the city allows you to see its iconic landmarks, such as the Tower of Gediminas Castle, Cathedral Square, and the lively Old Town, from a whole new perspective. The city of Vilnius is famous for its picturesque scenery, and its charming Old Town is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Travelers can explore the narrow cobblestone streets with colorful buildings, visit medieval castles and churches, or simply admire the breathtaking views from one of the many observation decks scattered throughout the city. For those interested in history and culture, Vilnius boasts numerous museums, art galleries, and historical sites showcasing Lithuania's rich heritage. The city is also known for its vibrant art scene, which hosts various festivals and events throughout the year. Travelers can enjoy the culinary delights of Vilnius at its many restaurants offering traditional Lithuanian cuisine as well as international dishes. In addition, lively cafes and bars offer a chance to relax and immerse oneself in the local atmosphere. In conclusion, Vilnius is a charming place that combines history, culture, stunning scenery, and friendly locals. Whether you want to explore its rich heritage or enjoy its local cuisine, Vilnius promises an unforgettable travel experience.